the act that will be going straight through to the finals of Asia's Got Talent is Junior Good Vibes.
Hi! Kami ang Junior Good Vibes from the Philippines.
At kami ang nanalo ng Judges Pick.
That was difficult tonight.
But in the end, you know, the kids, Junior Good, I call them kids, Junior Good Vibes. I mean, their story is so compelling. And when you see the footage, the video package that was put together of them and where they've come from and what they've accomplished, and then how good they are on top of that.
Yeah.
You know, and we always look to Jay for the stamp of approval on the level of dance. And, you know, they check every box.
Ang masasabi ko po sa lahat ng hurado na pumili po sa amin, sobrang laking oportunidad yung binukas nila para sa amin. Na na-touch sila sa storya namin. Naintindihan nila kung anong buhay meron kami. Hindi nila binase kung ano yung buhay na meron kami kahit mahirap man kami. So, nag-open-minded sila sa amin na kahit mahirap lang kami, kahit ano man kami para sa kanila, kami yung pinaka-the best para sa kanila.
I mean, the pressure is definitely on, and so I think they'll go back and they'll look at their performance and see what they can do better and come back and deliver.
Hey guys, I'm David Foster, and I love great. You know what else is great? The subscribe button that's just below. Click on it,